Large-scale projects are different than smaller projects in that the level of expertise needed to get you successfully on the other side is very different. With BMS Cat, you get 75 plus years of experience handling the most precious content. We can talk about projects where we've had to use the freeze-dry trucks from multiple states to bring them to our headquarters here, to our freeze-dry chamber, to successfully remediate each and every content and get it back to the rightful owners successfully with the chain of command and all of the details that go into the day-to-day handling of those precious contents. When you have a large-scale loss, you really want a disaster recovery partner like BMS Cat that has the level of expertise of 75 plus years of experience, whether it's a hurricane, a flood, a fire. We have seen it and successfully gotten our partners on the other side.
Well,